benefit from a system that addresses the various security and safety issues within your infrastructure? Panorama Suite readily adapts to your needs as your business changes. With Panorama Suite, you can bring all your business systems together into a single application. Combine your security and safety data with information from third-party systems. Panorama Suite is compatible with industry-standard interfaces and technologies and readily adapts as your needs evolve. Panorama lets you view the whole of your infrastructure. You give to your operators a global view of all your safety security systems and equipments, etc. Integrate your safety security systems with your BMS/BIM systems from across your fleet of buildings. Strengthen your security and safety systems. It's much more than just a monitoring tool. Panorama Suite is a unified control center solution that helps operators with their daily tasks. They get alerts in real time, enabling them to react more quickly to incidents such as breakdowns or intrusions. They will better anticipate failures. Your operating costs are optimized because equipment will not have to be shut down. Maintenance activities will be made easier. Panorama Suite assists you in managing your business operations regardless of your specific needs, your sector, or the size of your installations. Incorporating proven cybersecurity mechanisms, Panorama Suite is certified and qualified by ANSSI, the French National Cybersecurity Agency. It also complies with the NIS2 directive. By choosing Panorama Suite, you'll be choosing an integrated SCADA solution that provides simplified and unified management of your infrastructure security and safety. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you'd like some help.